What's up? My name is AJ, and today we're talking about the Logitech MX keyboard. So when I was in search for a new keyboard, I was looking for something that was quiet, something that was that didn't have a lot of battery. With my Apple keyboard, I used to have to replace the battery maybe every other month, and I was looking for something that was wireless, something similar to the Apple keyboard. And something just, like I said, quiet. So when I searched for that, the Logitech MX keyboard came up. And at first, looking at the price tag, I wasn't really too enthused about it. But since it did have good reviews and it was Logitech, I thought I might just, give it a try. So I purchased it, I bought it. And then when it got delivered and it came nicely packaged and, very professional. The Logitech MX keyboard does not require any batteries. Here's the keyboard. You'll charge it, or it gets its power from this USB-C port that you plug in right there. And obviously, right, since we're here, you can see the on and off switch. That's on, that's off. And then in a box with the keyboard, you will get this unifying receiver that you'll plug into your USB port. And that's how it will connect to the keyboard. So the Logitech MX keyboard is going to bring you back about $110 unless you get it on sale, which is kind of steep for a lot of people. But I would suggest it. I would recommend it. It's you could tell it's quality. Show you again here. You could see slight indentations for your fingertips. I turn this back on. You can see it's backlit, which will especially help you at nighttime. Every now and again, it does flicker. The backlights does flicker. It's a little weird, but like you kind of see it doing right now. But the top keys are programmable. You could program it to any way you want to via the Logitech app. It's quiet. Also, I'm not sure if you could hear it. It's quiet. It's a lot quieter. I like to compare it to the Apple keyboard, but better. It has more functions to it. I was coming from the Apple keyboard, and for work, I used a regular Logitech keyboard, which looks something like this. Your regular $19, $20 keyboard that's pretty loud, that's wired, pretty light. It does the job, but like I said, I was looking for something quieter and something similar to the Apple keyboard, because I just like the look and the feel of it. This is much better, in my opinion, than the Apple keyboard. It has the same feel to it, but it's like a full. It has the numbers where it's supposed to be. It has the letters where it's supposed to be. I'm not the best typer, but it just feels like a quality product that you expect from Logitech. It has the advanced keys on top of the keyboard. It has the smart light, which is, if I turn this on, I'm not sure if you can see it. So it's backlit, which is helpful in the dark, or even in the daytime. I didn't even know I needed it until I got it. You're able to connect to 3 different devices. And so let me see here. I'm just connected to one device right now, but you could connect to 1, 2, 3 different devices there. All you got to do is make sure you have your unifying device. And the Bluetooth is, it says it's good up to 33 feet wireless Bluetooth. So if you're kind of, I guess, in the same area, you should be able to connect within that area. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with the product. I will buy it again. It's nice, it's sleek, it's smooth. I also got it's not the MX version, but it's the Logitech Quiet Mouse, which is great also. I was just looking for something that was quiet all the way around, compared to the loud click. You know, so if you're looking for something that's a little bit quieter, that's sleek, that's slender, that has programmable keys, the Logitech MX keyboard and the mouse is a great addition to your setup. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe, and please comment if you need to.